Man, there's a drought in California. There's never any rain.
Well, I mean, yeah, it's so expensive out here. Have you been through any earthquake?
No, nothing big. They've always been like, like fours.
Oh.
I think 6 is the biggest, and it was like
wow.
the epicenter was kind of far away, so I felt like a 3, 4. Oh man, my phone might get ruined though. Didn't really think about that.
Because it smelled like the greenest, luscious forest, because everything is broken.
Yeah,
And it's like,
it smells like Christmas.
Yeah, the more transformers, the worse. And the thing is, they start chaining because they can't take it. They can't.